Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl, Messi Asim. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Also, while turning on the notification bell, endeavor to personalize the notification so that you get all the notification each time I post my video. And also, please don't forget to like my video and share it to your contacts, share it to your friend. Let them also subscribe and support your girl. You know how it is. So today we're doing a dark spot removal facial mask. This facial mask is one fantastic facial mask that will take away all your blackheads and dark spots on your face. So we will not take you long. Let's just dive into the video. So I'm going to squeeze in this to get like a tablespoon of our lemon juice. So there we go. I have to be precise because I don't need to waste anything. I'm doing this just for my face. Lemon juice is a skin lightener due to its high concentration of ascorbic acid. It is a powerful antioxidant that can be used to treat dark spots, freckles, hyperpigmentation. The vitamin C in lemon juice lightens up the skin by reducing the melanin on the skin. I'm going to add just my regular milk. As you can see, my peak milk. So I'm going to be adding just half a tablespoon of my milk. I'm going to be adding half a tablespoon. Let me use my regular spoon. So this quantity of milk is very okay. The lactic acid in milk helps reduce pigmentation. It also heals dry skin, hydrates skin, and heal the skin from acne, relieving the skin from sunburn as well. So it is very important to incorporate milk in this our remedy today for the dark spot removal remedy, so we'll get the best out of it. Go ahead and add our turmeric. I'm going to add just a very small quantity of turmeric. This is our 0.6 ml of turmeric. 0.6 ml of turmeric we're adding to this quantity. Turmeric is a natural skin brightener. It also helps reduce acne and any resulting scars. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can target your skin pores by calming the skin. It helps clear breakouts and acne. So we have to mix everything together. See? It's as easy as this. So guys, after giving it a nice stir, mixing everything together perfectly well for it to blend very well, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this whole goodness on my face. So let's go there. Hi guys, so I kind of have some spots on my face. You can see some spots due to the breakout I had, because I usually have breakouts whenever I'm ovulating. So I have some breakout on my face and it's gone, and this is the spots it's left on my face. So I had to use this the other day, like 2-3 days back, and I'm going to reuse this. I thought I should share the recipe with you guys. So you've seen what I mixed in here. So I'm going to let this sit on my skin. You can see I also used to have on my chest, I used to have a breakout each time I'm ovulating. So this is spot removal. So I'm going to be applying this like this. I'll let it sit on my skin again for my skin to feed on this natural ingredient. You can see spots all over. So I'll be doing this for about 1 week. Since I'm not consistent, so I'll make it like 2 weeks to clear off all the spots on my face. And because these ingredients are naturally packed with what they have, like as I've told you earlier, so I'm really fully assured based on my research that this is perfect because of the huge improvements I saw on my face when I used it the other day. So I gave it like 2-3 days interval, and I'm using it again today, and I know that if I can use it consecutively for 2 weeks, my face will be as smooth as anything. I think I have to just go through all over my face. Let me just put it everywhere, so it won't just be those areas that eat this skin benefits, to be everywhere that eats it. So I'm applying it on my face. I just want everywhere to eat it. Everything needs to sit and absorb all the natural ingredients to my face. Look at all the places that I have those spots from the breakout I had. DIY spot remover. You can treat yourself at home. Things from your kitchen. You just need to know what to mix and to know exactly the ingredient to mix, and you get the right thing instead of getting chemicals to destroy your skin. So these are simple ingredients from your kitchen you can use to treat your skin issues, like remove your spots naturally from home. And from what I've told you, the benefit of all these ingredients, you can do your own research and know what's up about what I've used. Alright guys, I'm just gonna sit here for about 15 minutes and let the whole thing sink into my skin, and I'll be deriving all the natural benefits to pamper my skin. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Just subscribe on that button, and also on the same place ensure that you click on the notification bell. Once you click it, and then you personalize it so that you get all the videos that I'll be posting. Each time I post it, you get the notification. And please, please, please don't forget to thumbs up my video, share my video to your friends, to your contacts on WhatsApp. Help your girl Messi Asim. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.